everybody, thank you for joining me. I hope you're okay. This is going to be a quick revamp today. I did this set and I've got some growth, not an awful lot, a little bit, but I've been picking off the gems because I'm a bugger for that. So I've got a couple to remove. I've picked most of them off, to be honest. And I just want to clean them down. I'm off to a cards night tonight. It's only a friendly family get together basically. But obviously they'll all be looking at my hands and they're both different. So I've got to do both hands the same. So I'll just show you this one today. So these are soft gel tips adhered with a builder gel. So all I want to do is to take off the design, infill slightly with a bit more builder gel and then paint them. And that's going to be it. So I was going to show you a full removal, but I'll save that for next time. And basically I'm going to use my e-file. So I'm not going to be able to talk to you. I've got to put my mask on. I'm going to have my fan going. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my old favourite, which is a ceramic safety bit. I love these. Don't scare me at all because I've got that rounded edge. I can go fairly near my cuticles, but I don't need to go all the way back because I've got that growth from that back there. So I'll just take the design off, smooth it a little bit, and then I'll pop back to you when I'm putting the builder gel on. Right, I've decided I'm just going to do them very, very plain. So I'm going to use, well, I'm said that, it depends whether I change my mind halfway through, not girl pink. I want rosy. These come in a set of 10. Well, I pick your own bundle of 10 I buy. And then you get your brush in with it. I love the application with these. So these are the solid gel polish. So I want rose pink. Oh, they've just brought out another, I think it's 40 colours. Oh, spoilt for choice now. There's loads of dusty colours and glitters. Oh, lovely. There's about 140 colours in this range now. So I'm going to use rose gold and rose pink. Oh yeah, they're stunning. Have a look. Yeah, so you can get kits with sort of set colours in, or you can pick your own builder bundle, which I always do, bargain. So, done base coat. I'm just going to use this builder base. This is the Armeli one. This is 153. It's slightly pinky. I might actually be happy with just this. I don't know yet. So I'll carry on and do the thumb. I want a little brush. Right, choose little brush. So what I'll do is get some out, put it more or less in the middle of my nail, and then move it with a little brush. I just find I can be a lot more precise with it. Oh, it's difficult, isn't it? That's it. Is that it? Oh, am I in? I'm not zooming in anymore. That's it. So I'm just going to move that where I want it. That little bit. So pull that up with that. Why did I pick my thumb to show you? It's the most difficult thing to manoeuvre on camera. So, right, let's get this up there. So this, basically, it's like to fill that gap in, give me a bit of an overlay and a bit more strength back onto that tip because I've fouled it. That. See if I can move it down. There we go. There we go. That's it. And then lovely. I like to do my thumb first and then I'll do the rest of my fingers like that. So I've just filed them with a 240 and then a 240 sponge buffer, and I'll just clean off that. Rest. Okay. So this one's going to be Colourful Rose Gold, which is number 96. The Rose Pink was number 14. This is number 96. So this is just all glitter, basically. This is great coverage, this glitter, but I will just give it 2 coats. Right, so that's a 2 coat. They've all had 2 coats. Discount code will be in the description box, and it's 25%. It's a fabulous discount. Now, I buy mine in bundles of 10, which you don't get a discount on if you buy the bundles because they're so cheap. There's such a discount on buying as a bundle, and also on the mystery boxes, which are not a disappointment. They've got some fabulous things in. So don't, when you get to checkout, just try the 25% off code. Oh, what's in that? A big hair or something. Hang on. Yeah, when you get to checkout, try the code, and it'll take the code off anything that's applicable. So even if you save yourself a bit, if you've got any full price stuff. I don't know whether the new colours are actually available in the bundles yet. I'll have to have a look. They might be, they might not. But if you've bought any of the solid colours and you've got favourites, let me know and I'll have a look at them. Because I'm spoilt for choice. Now this one, I'll see how smooth it is when I've top coated. I might buff, and oh, look at that. I might buff and top coat again, I don't know. But it's got to be super smooth for me, otherwise I pick at it. Right, that's actually smooth enough for tonight. Yeah. If I had more time, I think I would just give a quick buff and another top coat, but that's quite nice. Very simple set today. Shortened, more workable. Might get some work done. That pretty. That's lovely. Thank you very much for watching. I've got to get my finger out now and get the other one done. Take care, everybody. Love you loads. Please click the like, and I'll see you soon. Bye.